आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे हैंडलिंग एंड स्टोरेज ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स का पार्ट 2। ठीक है, स्टार्ट करते हैं। व्हाट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर टू कंसीडर व्हेन स्टोरिंग हैजार्डस मटेरियल, विच इज compatibility of storage material. Next question. What is agencies whose guidelines are typically followed by hazardous material storage, which is National Fire Protection Association NFPA? What is the minimum distance recommended between hazardous material storage and public building, which is just 10 meter? The material safety data sheet MSDS of the hazardous material provide information about which is for handling, storage, and emergency procedure for the material. Flammable material should be stored at which of the following location, which is in cool, well ventilated and flame proof areas? What is the purpose of proper labeling in hazardous material storage, which to provide clear identification of risk and handling instruction? What is the recommended storage temperature for most hazardous chemical, which is for S the specified by the SDS safety data sheet? What is the primary objective of proper product storage, which is maintaining product quality and safety? Which factor is most critical when storing perishable good, which is the temperature control? Which type of equipment is typically used to handle bulk product in archive, which is the uh, forklift, conveyor belt, platelet checks, hence all of the above? What is the main purpose of using platelets in product barrage, which is there to improve ventilation around products? Which of the following is a key safety measure when storing hazardous material, which is keeping them as well as ventilated area? What is the best way to prevent contamination during product storage, which is a regular cleaning storage area? What types of storage system is appropriate for flammable liquid, which is a flammable storage cabinet with proper labeling? What is the first step when dealing with a hazardous material spill, which is the refer the CSTs for spilling response? What information must be displayed on hazardous material storage label, which is the chemical name, hazardous symbol, and safety instruction? Why it is important to store oxidizing agent separately from flammable material, which is to prevent potentially violent reaction or fire? What types of storage required for flammable liquid, life solvent or fuel, which is stored in approved fire resistant cabinet with ventilation? What is the most critical factor is labeled hazardous chemical storage container, which is the inclusion of hazardous symbol and safety information? Which of the following is the primary goal when storing hazardous material, which is the to minimize risk of accident, spills, and exposure? What is the most important factor when handling hazardous material in terms of employee safety? Is it ensuring employees are trained and wear appropriate personal protective equipment (PPE). Which of the following is the best method of prevent environmental exposure when storing hazardous material, which is store material off the ground in a well ventilated controlled environment? Next question: when storing hazardous chemical, they should be placed which is in compatible groups and no secure ceiling or pellet. What should be used to protect hazardous material from environmental exposure such as rain or humidity, which is the properly seated and weather resistant container? Why is it is important to store hazardous material below eye level? Because to reduce the risk of spilling during handling. What is the recommended storage temperature for flammable liquid, which is below their flash point? What is the role of secondary contamination? Contaminant is hazardous material waste, which is to capture leak or spill from the primary container. What is the role of inventory management in product handling and storage to track and organize product? What is the purpose spill kit in hazardous material store area, which is manage minor spill or leak? Why is proper level importance product storage, which is to ensure proper identification and tracking? What is the primary purpose of packing product, which is to protect product during transportation? Which of the following is not a key consideration of packaging design, which is a customer preference for color? What does the term label refer to? The product packaging information provided on the packaging, such as ingredient and instruction? Which of the following information is typically found in product label, which is product weight, manufacturer details, and expiry date? Which of the following is an example of an environmental concern related to packaging, which is excessive use of plastic? Which of the following is a material is commonly used for food packaging due to barrier property, which is aluminum foil? What is the purpose of using the barcode on packaging, which is to assist inventory management and tracking? What is the key difference between primary and secondary packaging? Which primary packaging is used to display the product, while secondary packaging is for storage or transportation? Which of the following is best described as shrink wrap packaging method, which is for a clear plastic film is shrunk tightly around the product using heat? What is the role of regulatory standards in packaging and label, which is to ensure that labels contain accurate and necessary information for consumer safety? Which type of packaging is best situated for liquid product, which is plastic or glass bottle? What does the fragile label is a package indicate, which to the package contains breakable items that require careful handling? What is the advantage of using tamper-evident packaging, which to it ensure the product remains intact and safe until opened? Which one of the following is an essential feature of good packaging, which is it is durable and eco-friendly? How does the proper labeled assets in different handling and storage ensure products are easily identifiable? What is the most important label practice for product moving in a conveyor system, which is label must be clear, negligible, and facing outward? Why is it is important to securely pack products before placing them on a conveyor belt because to prevent damage or spillage during movement? What is the best practice for handling labeled product as a conveyor, which is ensure labels are scanned? Why is a cushioning material used in packaging fragile item, which is to provide shock absorption and prevent breakage? What does the symbol of umbrella on the packaging indicate, which a package should be kept dry and away from moisture? What does a handle with care label signifies, which is the product of fragile and require gently handles? What does the recycle symbol on the package indicates, which is the package material is recyclable? What does the do not stack label mean, which is stacking the package may cause damage? What does this side up symbol package mean, which is the package should not be flipped? What types of packaging is suitable for temperature sensitive product, which is temperature control insulated packaging? Which symbol indicate that a package is recyclable, which is a green triangle with arrow? Why are the QR code increase used on packaging? Because to provide additional product information and enable tracking. What does the corrosive symbol on the packaging indicate, which is the product is dangerous and can cause burn? What is the first step in product handling, which is the inspection and product for damage? What is the recommended storage condition for products sensitive to light, which is cool, dark, and dry condition? Which principle ensure work safety during material handling operation? Safety principle. When storing product in bulk, what is one way to prevent damage or spoilage, which is the use platelets tracking system or beans to organize and evaluate the product? What is the primary goal of proper storage practice for hazardous material, which is to prevent accident and environmental contamination? Which level is essential for chemical stored in the workplace, which is hazard communication level? Example CHS level. Which of the following is a key principle of safe material handling, which is the using proper lifting technique to avoid injury? What type of extinguisher should be used for electrical fire, which is CO2 extinguisher? What should be always be done before handling hazardous material, which is reviewing the safety data sheet STS and wearing proper PPE? What is the correct way to store flammable liquid, which is to prove safety cabinet away from the ignition source? What should be done with the damaged personal protective equipment PPE, which is the replace and repair it immediately? What is the critical aspect of chemical spill management, which is containing the cleaning and spill using the proper procedure? How should compressed gas cylinder be stored, which is upright, secured, and away from the heat source? Why is proper ventilation important in storage area, which is to prevent the build up of harmful fumes or vapor? What is the key factor to consider when selecting a storage area for chemical capability for of chemical storage together? Why is it essential to include storage temperature instruction or label to maintain product quality and safety? Why should heavy items be stored on lower shelves? Because I think option B correct to prevent accidental injury from falling object. Why it is important to provide employee with handling and storage training to ensure they understand safety procedure and minimum risk. What is the purpose of maintaining a load plan for truck storage, which is to ensure optimum use of storage space and safety compliance? What is the purpose of using safety guard or side rail or roller conveyor, which is to guide products and prevent them? What is the main reason for insulating emergency stop button on conveyor to enable quick shutdown in case of an accident or malfunction? What is the primary safety concern when stacking product or track using roller, which is uneven weight distribution? Why it is necessary secure product on a truck after loading via roller, which is to prevent movement during transmit? What is the recommended temperature range for storing uh, perishable goods, which is 0 to 4 degrees centigrade? How should roller be maintained to ensure safe operation during loading, which is lubricated and inspected for damage? What is the purpose of keeping conveyor area clear of obstruction, which is to ensure smooth operation and prevent accident? What is the ideal way to store chemical, which is based on compatibility and hazardous classification? Why is ventilation important in storage areas, which is to prevent mold and unpleasant odor? Which of the following is not a proper material handling practice, which is ignoring weight limits? What is the best way to store heavy item, which is the at waist height? What is the best way to store corrosive material, which is the in label corrosion resistant container? What is the role of color coded storage, which is the quick identification hazard? Which of the best practice of handling load with power truck, centering the load and securing it properly? What is the primary safety precaution of to take when working with powered conveyor, which ensure emergency stop device and functional and easily accessible? Role of technology. What is the role of barcode scanning in product handling and storage? It helps in inventory tracking and ensure accurate product identification. Which of the following technology is commonly used for real-time tracking of product in warehouse, which is a barcode technology and the RFID technology? Hence, they both. What is the main benefit of using automated guided vehicle in warehouse? Because automated transportation of goods. Which technology is used to maintain optimal storage condition for temperature sensitive product, which is a climate control storage system? What does the warehouse management system WMS help? Real-time inventory tracking, product packaging, ensure temperature regulation, hence all of the above. Sorry, which is real-time inventory tracking. Which technology can help predict product demand pattern in warehouse, which is a machine learning? What role do IoT sensor play in plain product storage, which is they provide real-time monitoring of storage condition like temperature and humidity? What is the key advantage of using robot in product handling, which is the faster and more accurate product handling? Which of the following is best describe blockchain role in product storage and handling, which provide transparency and trackability of product throughout the supply chain? What technology can be used to optimize the arrangement of product in warehouse for space efficiency with artificial intelligence? Which of the following is a major benefit of using automated storage and retrieval system ASRS, which is a increased storage capability and reduce retrieval time? Which type of technology used to automate repetitive tasks in warehouse, which is a robotics? What is the primary goal of technology in warehouse management, which is streamlining operation? Which technology is widely used for inventory tracking, which is all of the above? What technology helps improve real-time data access in warehouse, which is cloud computing? What is the role automation in warehouse, which is improving speed and accuracy? How does RFID technology aid in product handling? By automating product identification and tracking. which system optimize warehouse layout and coordinates product handling, which is a warehouse management system. What role does predictive analytic play in storage and handling, which predict inventory, storage, and demand trends? Which what is the purpose of robotics arm in storage facility, which is packing and storming, which technology enabled voice direct picking in warehouse, which is a voice recognition? What does ERP stand for in logistic, which is a enterprise research in planning? What is a digital twin technology used for in warehouse, which is a virtual replication of warehouse operation? This question is not clear. Which is I think what is this TMS stand for? So TMS stand for which is transportation management system. Okay. What is the primary purpose of warehouse management system, which is a data analysis, tracking inventory, reduce employee workload, and all of the above? How does automation improve product handling, which is by increasing precision and speed? Which of these is not a benefit of using drone in warehouse, which is a workforce management? Which is software help optimize warehouse layout, which is AutoCAD? Which of these technologies help in detect expired goods, which is a sensor? What is the purpose of ISO 14001 standard, which is an environmental management system? Which of the following is a key principle of safe storage under OSHA regulation, which is separating incompatible material? Under the 5 Safety Act, flammable material must be stored which is in a locked room with proper ventilation. What does the hazmat regulation focus on, which is a transport and storage of hazardous material? Which color code is used for flammable material in storage area, which is red? Chemicals should always be stored according to, which is according to compatibility group. What does the STS stand for? Chemical safety, which is a safety data sheet. Electrical equipment in hazardous areas must be, which is the explosion proof. What does GHS stand for? Safety regulation, which is a global harmonized system. Which regulation govern the transport of dangerous goods in most countries, which is a IATA dangerous good regulation? What is the primary purpose of government regulation on product handling and storage? To ensure safety and quality. What is the EPA's primary standard for hazardous waste storage, which are CRA subtitle C? How does incompatibility chemical be stored, which is a segregated in separate area? What is the primary goal of proper product storage regulation, ensuring safety and quality? What does the ergonomic FIFO stand for? The inventory management first in, first out. What is the primary requirement for storage areas handling flammable liquid with fire resistant material and proper signal? What is the primary purpose of secondary entertainment in chemical storage, which is to prevent spill from the reaching the environment? Which regulation govern the safe storage of flammable liquid, which is OSHA 1910 1060? Which federal agency regulate workplace ignorance of storage and handling, which is OSHA? What is the primary purpose of handling and storage regulation, which ensure safety and prevent hazard? Which international system standardized chemical classification and labeled, which is a GHS? What is the purpose of STS safety data sheet, which is to outline headlining and safety measure for chemical? Which type of level must be used in hazardous chemical container, with GHS complaint level? Which class of fire extinguisher is suitable for combustible metal, class T? Which material is required for fire resistant storage cabinet, which is steel? What does the term flash point indicate, which is the temperature at which a liquid produces flammable vapor? What types of gloves are recommended for handling corrosive material, which are nitrile gloves? Which of the following is required for eye protecting during chemical handling, which is the safety glasses, goggles, face shield, and all of the above? ठीक है, यहाँ पे हैंडलिंग एंड स्टोरेज ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट खत्म होता है यूनिट. अब नेक्स्ट यूनिट हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कवर करेंगे. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब दी चैनल.